जिस तरह पानी में एकदम डूब जाया करता है उसी तरह से डूब कर मेहनत करो, यानी इतनी गहराई से मेहनत करो कि जब पानी के बाहर निकलोगे यानी ऊपर निकलोगे तो एक अलग ही शाइनिंग तुम्हारे चेहरे पे रहेगी, एक अलग चमक रहेगी, खुलकर निकलोगे। A very good morning friends. Today we will do problems based on integral as limit of sum. Basically these problems they ask for practicals, or most of the times they ask in competitive exam. But you should know there is a relation between integration and summation. That is definite integration and summation. So under this particular part, we'll be learning that. It is given directly problem. I wanted one page. So there is a relation between integration and summation. So the relation is this curve. This is defined between interval AB. A, this is B. This is B. Now we'll divide this interval AB in n equal subintervals. This interval will divide in n equal subparts. And width of each part is what? H. This is H. Width of each interval is what? H. H is width. This is n parts we are dividing. Divide and the curve is what? Y is equal to fx. Divide interval AB in n equal parts having width of each part as h. So this is h. So b is what? A plus n into h. Last value is what? A plus nh, because h is what? Width of each part. So h is what? B minus A upon n. Then rth part is what? Rth sub part is what? The area of rth part is what? F of A plus RH into H. H is what? Width, and length of that rth part is what? F of A plus RH. Therefore, area of rth part rth strip is equal to length is what? F of A plus RH, and height is what? Breadth is what? H. Therefore, area under A to B fx dx is defined as limit n tends to infinity sigma of area of f of A plus RH into H. This gives what? Entire area. This is your integralized limit of sum. This is width H. So let us see some problems based on this. Evaluate the following integralized limit of sum. Consider integral 1 to 3 3x minus 4. Here A is what? 1. B is 3. Fx is 3x minus 4. Then find out h. B minus A upon n. 3 minus 1 upon n, which is 2 by n. Then find out A plus RH. 1 plus R into H is what? 2 by n, which is 1 plus 2R by n. Then find out f of A plus RH. F of 1 plus 2R by n, which is what? 3 into 1 plus 2R by n minus 4, 3, 6R by n minus 1. Since integral a to b fx dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma f of a plus rh into h, where r takes value from 1 to n. Therefore, integral 1 to 3x minus 4 dx, limit n tends to infinity, sigma r takes value from 1 to n, f of a plus rh is what? 6r by n minus 1 into h is what? 2 by n. Now this is sigma is affecting r. So 2 by n is what? Independent of sigma will come outside, but it will remain within limit sign. So limit n tends to infinity 2 by n, and the sigma will separate 6 by n sigma r minus sigma 1 r takes value from 1 to n. Limit n tends to infinity 2 by n bracket 6 by n. What is sigma r? It is n plus 1 upon 2 minus n. 2 by n you multiply inside. So limit n tends to infinity. 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. N cancel. So 6 is there. N plus 1 upon n. 2 by n multiplied to 2. N will give you what? 2. Limit n tends to infinity. 6 times 1 plus 1 by n minus 2, which is nothing but 6 into 1 plus 0. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. We can verify it. Verification. Integral 1 to 3x minus 4 dx, 3x square by 2 minus 4x between 1 to 3. Substitute upper limit 27 by 2 minus 12, 27 by 2 minus 12. Substitute lower limit 3 by 2 minus 4. 27 minus 3 by 2 will be 24 by 2, that is 12, minus 12 plus 4 will give you what? 4, which we are getting. Second problem is integral 0 to 4 x square dx. Here a is 0, b is 4, and fx x square. What is h? b minus a upon n. 4 minus 0 upon 4 by n. Then find out a plus rh. A is what? 0 plus r times h is what? 4 by n, which is 4r by n. Therefore, f of a plus rh is what? F of 4r by n. which is 4r by n square, which is 16 r square by n square. Since integral a to b fx dx is what? Limit n tends to infinity sigma f of a plus rh into h, where r takes value from 1 to n. Limit n tends to infinity sigma r takes value from 1 to n. F of a plus rh is what? 16 r square by n square into 4 by n. So 64 by n square will come outside. 64 by n cube, sorry. Sigma r square is left. R takes value from 1 to n. Which is equal to limit n tends to infinity 64 by n cube sigma r square is what? n plus 1 to n plus 1 upon 6. 64 and 6 will get cancelled, you get 32 by 3 will come outside. Limit 1 n will get cancelled, remaining n square will divide with both the factors. So n plus 1 upon n to n plus 1 upon n. 32 by 3, limit n tends to infinity. This is 1 plus 1 upon n into 2 plus 1 upon n. So 32 by 3 into 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0 will give it 64 by 3. Verify this. Verification. This verification is not required only for your confidence level. I'm giving 0 to 4 x square dx. Integration of x square is what? X cube by 3 between 0 to 4. Substitute upper limit 4 cube by 3 minus 0, 64 by 3, which you are getting here. Next problem is what? 0 to 2 e raised to x dx. Zero to 2 e raised to x dx. Here a is 0, b is 2, fx is e raised to x. H is b minus a upon n. 2 minus 0 upon n. 2 by n. Then find a plus rh. 0 plus r into 2 by n. 2r by n. So f of a plus rh is what? A raised to 2r by n. Then integral a to b fx dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma f of a plus rh into h, where r takes value from 1 to n. So 0 to 2, fx is what? E raised to x dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma r takes value from 1 to n e raised to 2r by n into h is what? 2 by n. Now 2 by n will come outside, but within limit sign. Two by n will apply sigma on this. When r is 1, we will get e raised to 2 by n. Sigma means plus e raised to 4 by n. Sigma means plus e raised to 2 3 or 6 by n. Sigma means plus and so on. When r is n, you will get e raised to 2. Now this is in GP with first term e raised to 2 by n and common ratio also e raised to 2 by n. So sum of this GP is what? Limit n tends to infinity 2 by n into bracket a e raised to 2 by n is what? A into r raised to n minus 1. So e raised to 2 by n raised to n raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Limit n tends to infinity 2 by n into e raised to 2 by n, and this will give you what? E square minus 1 upon e raised to 2 by n minus 1. This e square minus 1 will come outside as it is independent of limit. And this is what? A into 1 upon b can be written as 1 upon b by a and separate limit. So limit n tends to infinity e raised to 2 by n divided by limit n tends to infinity e raised to 2 by n minus 1 upon 2 by n, which is e square minus 1 into e raised to 0 upon this is what? Log e. Why log e? Since limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon x is what? Log e. Log e is what? 1. As n approaches to infinity, x is what? 2 by n will also approach to 0. A square minus 1 into 1 upon 1, which is e square minus 1 is the answer. Let us verify this. Integral 0 to 2 e raised to x. Integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x between 0 to 2. Substitute upper limit e square minus e raised to 0. E square minus 1, which you are getting e square minus 1. Next is 0 to 2 Consider 0 to 2, 3x square minus 1 dx. Here a is what? 0, b is 2, and fx is what? 3x square minus 1. H is b minus a upon n. 2 minus 0 upon, which is 2 by n. Then find out a plus r h. 0 plus r into 2 by n, which is 2r by n. Then find f of a plus r h. F of 2r by n, which is equal to 3 into 2r by n square minus 1. 4 into 3, 12, r square by n square minus 1. Since integral a to b fx dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma f of a plus rh into h, r takes value from 1 to n. Now substitute the values. A is 0, b is 2. Fx is 3x square minus 1. Dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma r takes value from 1 to n. F of a plus rh is what? 12 r square by n square minus 1 into 2 by n. 2 by n will come outside, but within limit sign. 2 upon n and separate sigma. Again 12 by n square will come outside, sigma r square r takes value from 1 to minus sigma 1 r takes value from 1 to n. Is equal to limit n tends to infinity 2 by n in bracket 12 by n square sigma r square is what? N plus 1 to n plus 1 upon 6 minus sigma 1 is what? N. Limit n tends to infinity 2 by n. 12 by n, 6 will get cancelled. 2 is left, 1 n will get cancelled. So 2 by n into n plus 1 into. Now this outside 2 by n you multiply. Limit n tends to infinity 4 by 1 n you divide with first factor. This other n you divide to second factor. And 2 by n will get multiplied to this will give you what? Minus 2. N will get cancelled. Limit n tends to infinity 4 into 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon n minus 2. So 4 into 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0 minus 2. 8 minus 2 will give you what? 6 n's. Let us verify this. Verification. Integral 0 to 2, 3x square minus 1 dx integration of what? 3x cube by 3 minus x between 0 to x cube minus x 0 to 2. It is 0 to upper limit will give you what? 2 cube, that is 8 minus 2, minus lower limit will give 0 minus 0. 6 is the answer. Fifth is integral 1 to 3 x cube dx. Here a is what? 1, b is what? 3. fx is what? X cube. H is what? b minus a upon n. 3 minus 1 upon n. 2 by n. A plus RH is what? 1 plus R into 2 by n. 1 plus 2R by n. F of A plus RH f of 1 plus 2R by n, which is what? 1 plus 2R by n cube, which is nothing but 1 plus 6R by n plus 3 into 4, 12R square by n square plus 8R cube by n cube. Since integral a to b fx dx is what? Limit n tends to infinity, sigma f of a plus rh into h, where r takes value from 1 to n. Integral 1 to 3 x cube dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity, sigma f of a plus rh is what? 1 plus 6r by n plus 12r square by n square plus 8r cube by n cube into 2 by n. Now we'll take 2 by n out, but within limit sign, I'll separate this sigma. Sigma 1 plus 6 by n, sigma r plus 12 by n square, sigma r square plus 8 by n cube, sigma r cube. For limit n tends to infinity, 2 by n bracket sigma 1 is what? N plus 6 by n into sigma r is what? N plus 1 upon 2 12 by n square sigma r square is what? N plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6 and sigma r cube is what? N square into n plus 1 square upon 4. Limit n tends to infinity. Now we'll multiply 2 by n inside. So first will become 2 plus this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 1 n will get cancelled. So 6 times 1 n is left. So n plus 1 upon n plus 2 into 12, 24 and 6, 4. 1 n will get cancelled, n is squared. So n plus 1 upon n, 2n plus 1 upon n is left. Plus 8 and 4 cancel, 8 by n cube is there. 4 and 8 cancel 2 and this 2 you multiply. 4 n raised to 4. 1 n square cancel. So 4 into n plus 1 upon n the whole square. Limit n tends to infinity. 2 plus 6 into 1 plus 1 upon n plus 4 into 1 plus 1 upon n into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 upon n the whole square. 2 plus 6 into 1 plus 0 plus 4 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 plus 4 into 1 plus 0 square. 2 plus 6 plus 4 into 2, 8 plus 4. 20 is the answer. Let us verify. Verification. Integral 1 to 3 x cube dx. Integration of x cube is what? X raised to 4 upon 4. Between 1 to 3. 1 by 4 you take outside. Bracket 3 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4. 1 by 4. $81 minus 1. 1 by 4 into 80 will give you 20. Thank you very much, friends. आज का कोट है जिस तरह पानी में एकदम डूब जाया करता है उसी तरह से डूब कर मेहनत करो, यानी इतनी गहराई से मेहनत करो कि जब पानी के बाहर निकलोगे यानी ऊपर निकलोगे तो एक अलग ही शाइनिंग तुम्हारे चेहरे पे रहेगी, एक अलग चमक रहेगी, खुलकर निकलोगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।